I'll go over there tonight, maybe eat as much as I like. Hello. I'm okay, thank you very much. What's the red tomato with you? So we went there for the Italian, that was nice. Got some lovely mushroom and cheese. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what Italian food's called. It was lovely anyway. All it's missing is a swimming pool. If I had a swimming pool, perfect. I suppose there's a big sea. Oh, look at all this. It's a bike park. Wow, little tricycles. Hello. Sim, smart sim. Yeah? Okay.
Smart sim na.
Load lang po. Load.
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 Load, 1 week.
Okay.
Okay, my sim.
Wait lang po. Smart? Smart.
Yeah.
Ano to? Register na? Ano pa, B? Call and text or internet?
Internet.
Internet.
Data.
Data. Okay, number.
Tulungan mo.
Number.
09.
I don't have a number.
Ay, bibili pala siya, B, ng SIM.
You give me number. Sim.
Doon. Ay.
Sim available here.
Load lang. Wala.
So it's not available here.
Oh, no.
Okay. No sim available here. Okay.
Generic pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Oh, generic.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to the pharmacy to get a phone sim. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know what's going on. I've got to go to the pharmacy to get a phone sim. I think they're winding me up. No, we can't get a sim out of there. She's winding me up. Maybe sit next to her. Maybe here. Oh. Hello. Can I get a phone sim?
Sir?
Do you do sim for the phone?
Yes, sir. Globe SIM, Smart SIM.
Smart.
Smart.
For 1 week. 1 week.
I load one for 1 week.
Yeah, well.
Smart.
Just data.
Next, sir.
I found somewhere. It's next to the what do you call it? Chemist. Not actually at the chemist. Hello. Can I get a smart sim? Can you do it?
Regular.
Thank you. 1 week. 1 week smart sim. I can't hear. I can't bend down. I don't have a phone number.
You need to buy SIM card, sir.
Yeah, what smart sim? I'm here. Here I am. It's too small for me. Just put, no, leave that there. No, leave. 1 second.
Unregistered, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Sim. Oops. Will it work now? Does it work now?
I registered first.
You okay?
Do you have a valid ID, sir? Valid
I'm
ID.
not sure. Oh yes. Just registering my sim. I don't even know how much it costs. Maybe I should have had to pass that first.
British Island.
No, keep going.
British.
No, keep going. Let me see.
British.
No, that's not the one. Oh no. No,
Wait lang.
that's not it. It might be under UK. UK down the bottom.
UK.
So I got my sim. All it is 100 pesos. All that work she did took ages. Doing all this different registering and everything. So I'll give her 50 as a little tip. 100 pesos. I mean, what's that? Not even £2. Anyway, let's get on. Let's get a taxi back. I'm gonna get a taxi. That money. I'm gonna try and wave down a tricycle. Got customers. Oh, she got somebody. Hello! Nobody's stopping for me. Hello. You do it for me.
Just go to the
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, you know. Topaz. Just that way. Oh. Okay, you know. Okay. Here we go. The tricycle again. I'm a bit tall for these vehicles. Don't think I'm that far away at all really, but I wasn't sure, so I thought I'd jump in one. See the dirt cheap. Hello. It's down there. Here we are. Thank you. Bye bye.